on the other side, we have lots of subtracting to do. So let's do 18 minus 2. Start on 18, count back 2 spaces, and where do you stop? It's 16. Now we're going to do 16 minus 4. So what is that answer? It's 12. The next one's super easy. 17 minus 0, 0. 14 minus 2, count back 2. The answer's 12. 19 minus 4, try that on your number line. Start on 19, count back 4. What did you stop on? 15, very good. 15 minus 7, start on 15, count back 7. It's 8. 19 minus 5, start on 19, count back 5. It's going to be 14. 14 minus 3, it's going to be 11. And I spy, oh, nope, this isn't doubles. I thought it was. Silly Mrs. Stewart. 18 minus 6. So if you start on 18, count back 6. Which number are you going to stop on? 12. 17 minus 2. You're going to stop on 15. 14 minus 1, so the number just before 14 is 13. 18 minus 4 is kind of like a doubles because 8 minus 4 is a doubles. So we just put 4 and then we bring the 1 because we didn't do anything with the 1. We didn't subtract anything. Okay, now let's do 17 minus 3. What's that answer? 14. 19 minus 8. So start on 19 and count back 8. That's a pretty long one. It's going to be 11. 15 minus 0 is going to be 15. 12 minus 2 is going to be 10. 18 minus 3, we start on 18 and we count back 3. It's going to be 15. 16 minus 2, what do you think that's going to be? 14. 15 minus 2, we start on 15, we count back 2 spaces, it's 13. 18 minus 5, so we start on 18 and we count back 5 spots. What did you stop on? 13, very good. I spy another, it's kind of like a doubles because 6 minus 3 is a doubles. It's 3, and then I just do the 1 because we didn't subtract anything from it. Okay, a couple more. You're doing awesome. 17 minus 6. Start on 17, count back 6. What did you stop on? Good. 10 minus 2. I see 10 friends. What's that going to be? 8. And the last one is 14 minus 3. What is that answer, boys and girls? It's 11. Lots of 11s on this one. All right, good job. Turn your paper in. Good work today. Boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. Now we're doing some more backwards doubles. That's our strategy this week that we're focusing on. So I want you to think for just a second, what is a backwards double? If I were to say Explain to me what a backwards double is. What would you tell me? Good. So when I'm adding these and I'm subtracting these backwards doubles, I don't really need to use my number line because it might take a long time, and also I just already know what the answer is. So what we have to do is we just look and say, oh, okay, 18 minus 9, that's 9. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. What do you think 14 minus 7 is going to be? Just 7. 20 minus 10, that answer is going to be 10. 6 minus 3, 3. 16 minus 8, 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 18 minus 9 is 9. 20 minus 10 is 10. This is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. See how much faster we can go because we just know these answers. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 6 is 6. 0. What do you think 18 minus 9 is going to be? It's 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. 16 minus 8 equals 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. 14 minus 7, 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the last one is 4.